Here I am going to tell you full front-end and back-end process for this registration system. I will provide you the source code in my GitHub account through the below section. You can see here is a two type of registration, marriage and migration. I will first show you the demo of marriage registration. Here is husband details. Let's fill these details, and then I will show you backend process of this. Let's see. Remember this name or religion. Okay, I will show you the database for this. So you have to remember. You can write any code. Submit. Now then submit registration successfully. We have done our registration successfully. Now I am going to show you backend for this. Okay. Sorry. Localhost is a dashboard of XAMPP. Here is my database name, and here is husband details. See here. Full name is Prashis, which I religion Hindu, and wife's details. Here it is. And this way the backend and front end will proceed. Now I'm going to show you for this front end and back end how to make this. I have shown you for marriage. Now I'm going to show you for migration registration. I don't have make backend registration backend for this. I'll show you how to make backend. Look, first you have to install XAMPP control panel. This from your browser, okay, and then click here and you have to start this two, Apache and mysql, and then you have also download Visual Studio Code from your browser, and then you must have to go this PC Windows, and here we have to go in XAMPP. Where is XAMPP program? And we have to go htdocs. If you make your folder or your code in desktop section, you can easily move here, and I will prefer you to make a folder for your codes in htdocs section. Okay, I have make G from government form in my htdocs section. Here is my HTML code for this marriage and migration. I will provide all this code, don't worry. And here is a migration section. You have to make three PHP code section. First we have to see this HTML code. For this I have opened from my code, VS Code. See here, from HTML code I had include all HTML and style. Here CSS code I have this I will provide this code, don't worry. And this is HTML and this is JavaScript, where I have translate function, use translate function. See, there are several points you don't have to mistake. First, the form action and this process registration name should be included, and then we go to process registration, and here you must have to include connect.php, and your code here location will be success page.php. remember this name, okay? Migration, insert into migration, because we have to create a database name which is migration, because we have mentioned here as a migration. Then we have to go connect.php for connecting our XAMPP database, okay? Here host will be localhost, username will be root, and password will be null, and database is, look it here, migration. Your database name should be migration, no another. If you change this name, you can also change the database name while creating. I'll show you while creating. This is all code, okay? And then let's go to backend. If you download this jam folder, your any browser, you can go from either here or here. I will choose Chrome browser and type here local host. Then you have to go php my admin, where all the database are there. Now we have to create our database. New, click on new, then give the database name as migration. I will giving. Now you have to create, okay, the migration database has been created. Now you can either create from table from here, also you can go from sql, where you have to code here for your table, okay? I am doing from sql, where my code is already uh, having. See this code, this is very easy. You can either use ChatGPT for your SQL code for your by entering your HTML, CSS, and another code. Now we simply have to click go button. See, the database has been created in table name migration. See, ID, full name, date of birth, gender, country, and rated date. Okay. Now I will show you. Backend has been created. Okay, now we have to fill the form. It must show the output. Okay, submit. Registration successfully. Now we have to go backend. Here, if okay, I have to refresh it. Here, the data has been come. See, delete migration. This is the way how the front end and back end is proceed. You can get this code from my GitHub account. I will provide below the section. And if you have any inquiry, please comment down, and I will reply all the questions. It is very easy. Thank you.